Guys, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to make a smooth time remapping effect where your clip goes fast, then slow, and then fast again, just like this. Open After Effects. As you can see, I've already pre-composed all my clips here. Now go to the Effects panel, search for Twixtor, and apply it to your pre-composed layer. First, make sure the FPS in your Twixtor settings matches the FPS of your composition. For example, my composition is 23.976 FPS, so I'll use the same value here. Now follow the rest of the settings shown on my screen. Once the settings are done, go to the speed option and enable its keyframe at the start of the clip. Then increase the speed to 140, just like I'm doing here. Next, move to the middle of the clip and decrease the speed to 40. Then go to the end of the clip and increase the speed again, this time to 160. Now select all three keyframes and apply Easy Ease. Open the graph editor and follow my graph settings to get a smoother speed ramp.
Around like an ocean in my head.
And that's it. Our smooth time speed revamp effect is ready. Now you can copy this Twixtor settings and apply it to all the remaining layers just like I'm doing. You can also add zooms, shakes, and other effects to make your edit look better. Before exporting, don't forget to apply one of my 4 KCCs to enhance the overall look of your edit. You can find my CCs on my website, and I also share free 4 KCCs on my WhatsApp channel. The links are available in the description. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more simple After Effects tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.